on the list of cool things to do in Hobe Sound is to come and check out the Hobe Sound murals. They're all over town, and this is the first one that we've found. And it's a lovely little beach scene. These are barbecued shrimps wrapped in bacon with noodles. And this is chicken tender delicious things. Made it to the top of the observation tower in Jonathan Dickinson State Park. Feeling pretty fit right now, apart from being out of breath. And this is the amazing view you get. Admittedly, it's a bit of a grey day for Florida. Over there, that's Jupiter Island that we did the little road trip down yesterday.